Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw this anime eye if you don't know how. If you're interested, please stay tuned because I'm going to show you how. Here's the sample and I'm going to block that. So here's the sample. I'll put myself here. And so today we are going to draw it again. First things first, you can go to any drawing software or just use paper and pencil, which I usually do, and change the size of your pen, or maybe like the size is already like that. First, you just need, I'm gonna sample a left eye. If it's the right, if you want to do the right eye, you can do the same thing. So, like this, you should draw a crease. See, look how the crease is. I don't know how to draw girls' eyes only, so yeah, don't judge me. And then I draw a little bag like this. I actually make this a little bit longer. Look at this little bag like this. Something that's going down your eye, like my glasses. And then you need to draw something like this, cause it means like something like this. It goes like down. So yes, and then draw the bottom a little bit, just a slight bit, because or else it'll be too weird. Then let's move on to the lashes, which is at the end here. Just draw little lashes. You don't need to draw that much lashes, or else it won't be anime. Then you draw this little thingy here. You can draw any shape or anything, but I like doing this. Then use your marker, very thin marker, and then draw a little pupil in the center of the eye. Not this center, the center of the bag, because that's where you're gonna fill in it, just like this. So I'm gonna choose my favorite color. So after you choose your favorite color, go over it like this. So this is gonna be the base color. So I'm going to draw little of these like little circles, so I remember where I'm not gonna color in. So and then I'm gonna choose a size, and then yeah, let's start filling in this. I'll be back when I fill in the whole thing. So I filled that in. But first, I'm going to erase some bits for this to get a little bigger. Hi. Oops, sorry about that. That's my friend, but it's okay because I don't know if you can hear her, but yeah, that's my friend Haywon, and I don't know. She might make a YouTube channel. She doesn't have one yet, so I don't know. Now we are going to make a darker color of that color. Then, or I can do like other colors. Oh, sorry, that's an eraser. I'll be back. Wait, actually, I don't wanna. So yeah, I'll be back. So after I done that, I take a lighter color and then just trace it. So after that, I just fill in this part. After that, you just fill in this part, and then it'll make it more contrasty, and that's how you draw an eye, an anime eye. This one is prettier than this one, I think. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe. The last video that was posted was from my friend Haywon. I don't know if she mentioned that, but I hope she makes a channel. I hope you like and subscribe this video if you enjoyed it. I'm not forcing you or anything, but I hope you like this video. Bye.